Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and black's pawns are going downward direction this way. So it's white to play and win in two moves. It's basically mate in two, and you have to find the way to checkmate black in two moves. Like every day, guys. Before I said anything else, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so the first thing is these pawns are really close. I mean, they are just one move away from queening, and we don't afford to make a mistake in this position. So that is one thing I need to mention. The first thing is obviously we can't give this check. This automatically forces black to move the pawn and block by promoting it to a queen, and there is no way we can win this game. So this is going to be just a draw, and this is not checkmate in two. The other thing you may probably do is to play here queen to f3. This puts black into one option. This pawn is pinned and this pawn is stuck, and the only legal move for black is to play king to g1. Well, now you play king to g3. So here this is a checkmate threat, and now black can move to the corner, but this is going to be just checkmate, and black can promote this, but here you can move like this, and this is going to be checkmate. And if black promotes to a queen, this is going to be checkmate. Well, that's nice, and that is winning actually, but there is a fastest way to do this correctly, and I said in the beginning it's mate in two. The solution, the correct move of the position, is to play queen to e4 with the same idea, pinning the pawn, but this time we are seeing the e1 square, meaning we are going to play queen to e1 on the next move, right? So this with similar purpose, but here if we just played the previous move, we can't see the square e1. So queen to e4 and queen to e1 checkmate is the solution. If you found this, congratulations. Make sure to like the video to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye.